The Center for Research Studies at the Birla Institute of Management Technology, which is popularly known as BIMTECH, offers a fellow program and an executive fellow program in management, which are doctoral level programs approved by the All India Council of Technical Education.
The program has developed remarkable research scholars for careers in academia, research and consulting for the government, social sector and industry. It is wonderful to see that our scholars are placed with universities and institutions of high repute.
So I traveled to some of the countries for PhD program, for research partnerships and publications, of course, related to projects. And I observed that the PhD program, the fellow program that we have, is of great quality. We have great students, they're very bright, very talented, they're coming with experience in academics and industry.
I think research is a personal journey. Anybody taking up a doctoral journey is essentially about self-reflection, about self-awareness. People have different reasons for why they choose to do a doctoral study.
I was very passionate about pursuing this and I wanted to finish it as early as possible in my professional career so that I can bring out the energy and the kind of efforts required in the research.
I am interested in the individual, in the social entrepreneur. I am interested in the narratives that he brings to the table, the way his life story has been, the highs and lows in his life. And so that is what I really wanted to bring out in my research. I am interested in the mind.
Eventually narrowed down to workplace bullying because it was something that not just I faced but a lot of people who I knew had faced. So my thesis essentially was on workplace bullying of employees in Indian organizations, and the methodology that I chose was grounded theory.
I am broadly interested in digital transformation in healthcare from the employee's point of view. But I am learning through these coursework phases how to see the nascent phenomena in it.
While the FPM offers attractive scholarships to scholars conducting their research on campus, the EFPM offers the advantage of continuing your career and still undertaking the doctoral process.
The reason that I joined BIMTECH was I had an aspiration to do a research and had a research interest on retention young generation. When I was in my earlier organization, we found difficulty in retaining young generation, and that is when I decided to take a research on understanding the stay intention of the employees in organizations.
My research area is into marketing strategy, and since marketing is quite evolving field, I am looking forward to conduct a research on the problems which are very practical in nature but at the same time add to the knowledge base into the marketing domain.
It is important. Domain knowledge is more than that. Domain knowledge guides them to build on the constructs and the ideas that they would treat as research problem. They need to have a great idea, and this idea need to come from both the field work, which means the data, and the literature, and that's where we stress we have high priority on domain knowledge.
I am getting exposed to various courses like qualitative and quantitative methods, research writing and philosophy and theory of research. All these courses helps me to build my understanding into research, and most important, it helps me to narrow down my topic for the thesis work. It sets the right paradigm as a researcher for me and gives me the perspective to see the world.
I was very happy choosing BIMTECH because BIMTECH is really known for the research and the rigor that it carries, and the faculty and the brand value and the ethics that BIMTECH is representing. I was very fascinated by that, and so I chose BIMTECH for my doctoral work.
When I was searching for an institute for my doctoral program, BIMTECH came as a very obvious choice to me, and there are several reasons to it. It is one of the reputed institute in Delhi NCR.
Research is all about understanding the knowledge gap, and without reading, nothing goes well. And that is how the college helps us through their database, which is available at this current point in time.
We have the fellows from different backgrounds. Some of them are CA, from the economics, from finance and from OB and HR areas. While we sit together and start discussing on some topic, we come out with something really meaningful discussion. And that is something which I like about the doctoral journey. it is a complete transformation of a human being. It is a complete transformation of your thoughts.
Now, if I have to put it in one line, I think the environment was so open that you could experiment with your own interest areas and eventually decide what you want to do. So the openness of the environment gives an opportunity to do a better work than just a superficial work.
Due to the academic rigor of the program, our scholars have produced a significant amount of intellectual contributions.
So I think it is a holistic journey that one really goes through in the entire 4 years. I have been publishing a lot of papers, so I have got some around 17 publications during my journey. Very rewarding and very transforming. Everyone should do it.
It is a difficult thing for us, for a professional, to be a research scholar, but I think BIMTECH has made our journey very easy and very light.
Couple of things that were very important was flexibility, the infrastructure, the guides support, the peer learning that was happening, and the encouragement to choose your topic on your own. I think that is what allowed me to go through the entire process to the extent that my thesis got an award at the end of it. And at the same time, my entire personality has changed from what I was 7 years back. If I look back at myself, I don't think I would have been the person that I am today if I had not gone through that journey.
Now I am enjoying every moment here in the BIMTECH. I can see my worldview is changing. I'm trying to find logic and rationale behind everything, and I feel so enthusiastic, fortunate taking this decision. I look forward to make this the beautiful experience of my life. Thank you so much.
It will be our pleasure to interact more on fellow programs at campus. Thank you.
All in all, the FPM program of the Birla Institute of Management Technology is an exciting program for an excited researcher, and we look forward to welcoming all excited researchers in the field of business management for this course.